Product management is very exciting but can be quite tricky. Most new product managers make mistakes that can slow down their career or even harm their product. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 common mistakes made by new product managers and how to avoid them. Hi, I'm Mirabel and I'm a product manager, and on this channel, we share practical tips that help you grow in product management. If you're new to product management or you're planning to become a product manager, this video is for you. It will help you avoid some very painful lessons. The first mistake new product managers make is trying to do everything yourself. Most new product managers try to do everything themselves. They try to own every detail, they try to own every spec, try to design every wireframe, try to control the engineers coding. But the truth is, product management is a team sport. You cannot do everything by yourself. You allow the designers to design, you allow the engineers to engineer. You are there to collaborate, to direct, and to prioritize. So let your team members play their role. The next common mistake new product managers make is building without talking to users. This is the fastest way to fail as a PM. Most product managers get excited about building new features without trying to know if users actually need these features. Imagine building a fancy dashboard that nobody asks for. This leads to wasted time, wasted resources, and frustrated team. So before running ahead with building a feature, you need to validate your ideas, run surveys, and test with prototypes before putting resources. Third mistake is ignoring data. Most new PM rely on intuition or stakeholders' opinion. But product management is not just about intuition, it's also science. If launching a new product leads to a drop in engagement, ignoring that data will kill the product. So tracking key metrics like the retention rate, the engagement, and the NPS helps you make data-driven decisions. So don't ignore data. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you've made mistakes like this, you can share with us in the comment section. See you in my next video.